see this. Okay, so you have a v final. You want to make a variable v final that is going to be like this. You will have v initial. Oops. Okay, here we go. You will have v initial, right? Plus a delta t. That's how you're going to do it. If you want to do variable as a vi, that will be v final minus a delta t. That's how you're going to be for vi. Please check your answers with me. If you have wrong, you can please change it. If you want to do a change in time or just a time delta t, it will be similar to as a vf minus vi over the acceleration. Okay. Now the third one here, we have delta x equals to vit plus 1/2 at squared. If you want to make equation for vi, then this 1/2 at squared has to be subtract both sides. So you will have delta x subtract 1/2 at squared both sides, and then this t has to be divided by the t. That's how you're going to be your v initial. If you want to find for a, then you have to have a delta x subtracted by vit, and then you want acceleration, so you want to get rid of this 1/2. That means it's multiplied by 2 right here in the equation, and then divided by the t square. That's how you can find the acceleration. You can see that we have your acceleration equation as 2 times delta x negative vit over t squared. We didn't do any problem like this, so it's very unlikely that something like this will be asked in the acceleration variable. But yes, vf square, if you want to find, you is just vi square plus 2a delta x. You can change the variable for vi square by subtracting both sides by 2a delta x. So this will be vf square subtracting 2a delta x, right? And that's how you can have your vi square equals to. If you want to find the acceleration using the same equation, you can have the similar thing, saying that vf square minus vi square, and then divide both sides by 2 delta x. So you will have a 2 delta x in the denominator. Correct? Last but not the least, either it is delta y or it is delta x, right? It's the same thing. Okay, delta y or delta x. You want to find, you have to have same thing as a vf square minus vi square, and then divided by 2 times a. So here I give you all the 3 and 3, 6 plus 2, 8 equations in order to do any kind of a variable it is asked in the problem to solve it uh, at your fingertip. Right? And you can keep this formula sheet right in front of you when you're taking assessment or the worksheet what you're going to do. Okay, that's it. Thank you.